Capricorn the Devil. This is your channel messages for the 12th of April. Capricorn, I was getting the P ring. Pedophile ring. I'm not sure how YouTube feel about me saying this. Anyways, yeah, I'm getting something about the P ring. I'm getting a couple celebrities. Gemini year one. I'm getting celebrities and them kids. So you know all the kids in Hollywood that you're seeing? Yeah. So I'm getting Gemini, you in a it. Libra, you in a it. Surprisingly, Cardi B is not in it. Surprisingly, Cardi B is not in it. Culture safe, and the other kids you have, them safe so far. I'm getting something about the kids of Hollywood, the kids of these famous actors, rappers, the kids of them. I'm getting something gonna come about the kids them, some type of pedophilia. Oh, here's what I was getting. But this is pretty Masonic, okay? I'm getting for the elites in Hollywood, for the parents of the kids in Hollywood that I'm talking about, that you see on social media every day. I don't want to call nobody family name. Because enough of it. Virgo, you in it to Virgo, right? I'm getting something about, this is so fucked up to say. I'm getting something about advocating pedophilic behavior from your daughters and sons. I'm getting to know someone when the kid turn a certain age and I can start market them sexually. Sagittarius, you in it too. The only name I never get a Cardi B culture. I never get she. Almost everybody else I get. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. And I'm still waiting on Tom Brady. Gay ass. I apologize what the fuck he did to his son. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Tom Brady I will name. That's a creepy fucking man. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn Devil. So I'm getting your kids, or using kids at a very young age for older men. Or you make your kids dress up in a very provocative and sexy things, and you take pictures of it for upload for other man. We have the Chariot, yeah, the police. Jesus Christ. Cancer coming out first. All of the girls them in Hollywood that cry and say, oh, look how all the celebrities are getting pregnant. You're for glad so you don't get pregnant yet, sweetie. The Chariot is here. So I'm getting something about a Cancer police. Something about a police report. I'm getting something about either kids that are adopted, or I'm getting something about kids in Hollywood, like something about I'm getting it's a part of Hollywood. You have to push a certain type of pedophilic agenda when your kids turn a certain age, even though they're underage. That's what I was getting. The Chariot, we have the six, yeah, literally you ever sell a kid? The Six of Pentacles and the Chariot. Now I'm also getting something about maybe there was a report, but I'm getting on the pay the police or somebody was paid to keep quiet. The Tower card. I'm getting somebody a pay to keep you out of prison. Somebody's paying to keep some. I'm getting shit is about to fucking blow up, man. I was also getting something about a building or a blow up. But I'm getting is a very, very, very important building. It'll catch a fire. I'm getting is a very, 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 very important building that'll catch a fire. You gotta say how this, you gotta say there's no, it have to be an inside job. Alright, I'm getting the Chariot, Six of Pentacles and the Tower, yeah. Or I'm getting something about somebody being in prison and bail being post. You're trying to post bail. We have the Ace of Wands, yeah, something about sex. Or something about introducing your kids to drugs at a very early age for get them. Yeah, when I get kids intoxicated. We have a Chariot. I mean the Knight of Swords. I see a police officer or a Cancer paying your money to go over someone's house and get a picture of something. Not sure what it is, like somebody wants a picture of something. The Chariot is clarified by the Page of Cups. That's the first kid. I'm getting the police, something about a boy. Tom Brady's son. Dirty Tom Brady. Dirty gay ass Tom Brady. Something about a son is a boy. A boy going to talk about it first. Me getting something about this boy going to the police about something. I don't know if he's a police officer, but me getting you go to the police about a report, something about somebody sold somebody or something about, yeah, some type of deal. We have the Two of Swords. Me getting you know key information as to something. Me getting, it's like somebody gave you money for use your daughter, and your dumbass was like, it's okay, they'll bring her back. It wasn't bad enough they were paying for fuck your daughter, and you think they're gonna bring your daughter back. Me getting you'll never see your daughter again. The Tower card is clarified by the Queen of, yeah, see your daughter there? That's what you did? Me getting you give up your daughter for money. Little to nothing. How much you sell her for? 6 grand? $600? You give up your daughter, me getting you now get her back. Or me getting you give up your daughter thinking that me getting you give her up for money or drugs. Did you put your doctor? Me getting you put your baby, me getting you put this little girl up for adoption, and when the family get the little girl, it's a big woman. Me getting you get one girl who is a big woman but she look young, and you put it up on a website say yeah, adopt a 16-year-old girl. Me getting when the family get the girl is a grown ass woman who can the woman's husband. Me getting you now go see your daughter again. Me feel like the government are gonna take your daughter and you're gonna get arrested for trafficking charges. But you're gonna get her back with your stupid ass. Ace of Wands is clarified. You sell her for drugs. Knight of Swords is clarified. You sell your daughter for drugs. You are so desperate for money or drugs, you sell your grown ass daughter as an underage girl. And now your grown ass daughter, who is very grown, but men are looking on her and them I say, no man, she's 16, she's 15, she got high school. It evoke a sexual thing in them. Because them identify you as 16, 15. You can pass for 16, 15, but them I say, no, it's a mature 16, 15-year-old. It's a 30-year-old. Somebody put up somebody on a website and said, you can adopt this little teenage girl. It's a blood clot big woman. And the orphan. And no adopt this big girl in your house. You can't talk to her. You can't, duh, she's a big woman. She's not a child. She not go high school. You think she go school? You think she have principal for listen to? What the fuck is wrong with you? And me getting you saying you'll get her back. Me getting you go jail. Capricorn, you never come out. Yeah, cause the woman sell her daughter to the devil for devilish things. And then the devil hold on to her. So you see how the devil have to use you? That's why I know the devil is not evil all the way. Remember, the devil make evil people get catch. And never God. The devil makes evil people get caught. God is not the one. And God bring you blood clot justice, and the devil bring you justice. Because the devil rule karma. God don't serve karma. He's an all loving and all forgiving God, remember? If he rapes your children and he repents, God will forgive him. The devil won't. The devil will say you rape. When I see you in church praying to God, you think God is going to save you? I know you rape. The devil don't forgive. God does. And I'm going to say something very, 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 very fucked up. But it's okay. I'm going to say it anyway. Chris Brown. Now you have a beautiful daughter named Royalty. Can you imagine a man beating the shit out of your daughter and busting up her face like what you did to Rihanna? That's why we cannot make you live down it. It would be fucked up to say we will forgive you when a man beat Royalty ass. Don't. How evil is that to say? We'll forgive you for what you did to Rihanna when a man beat up your daughter when she gets older. How evil is that to say? Now you see your behavior. You have a daughter, you never get a son, you get a daughter. So I just hope to God when Royalty get older, she's not there with a man who beat her ass like you did Rihanna. The devil does not forgive, God does, remember that. God does not bring you justice, the devil does. Because when you sign a contract with the devil don't make you walk, he will come back for you. And he's going to make sure you get catch, because you belong to him. We have Aquarius, the alien, or the star card. We have Leo. These are the opposites of each other. Leo is the opposite of Aquarius. So I'm getting the sun and the alien. We have political agenda. We have sleep. We have illness. And we have cancer. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Wait, hold on, let me check something. Let me check something. Okay. Yeah. I'm checking birth charts. My apologies. I'll leave it here until next time. Bye.